Remember we used to jump up on the fence and jump in the pool and we used to get blown up by you know.
Get off that fence!
It was always your fault,
They released the new movie of Batman.
Yep.
And someone got dressed up as Batman and went to a cinema and shot
That's the
people
time
in
when I was
You know what?
when I was
last
happy.
night. Yeah.
When I saw our dog. Remember our dog? We got run over by a motorbike.
Tiny.
We were all standing out the front. Remember?
Yep.
I'm up the stairs.
In a second.
In the window.
In a second, all I heard was a yelp. The dog never moved. Remember?
I fainted.
You fainted. I couldn't speak because this poor little chihuahua motorbike just ran it over right in front of us at our house. Yeah. These two.
They're over in the paddock. They're calling Tiny and I'm calling Tiny to come back.
Yeah.
And poor Tiny didn't know whether to go to the boys or to come back to
Yeah.
me.
Yeah. Got confused.
So he got stuck in the middle and the motorbike went boom and I just collapsed.
Is your coffee?
That was the one you knocked off for me. Remember?
Here's your coffee!
You knocked it off for me.
He can't do without his coffee.
Where did I get it from?